Today, I'll show you how to set up contact form conversion tracking in Google Ads. Contact form conversion tracking helps you measure when someone clicks your ad, visits your website, and submits a form. This is useful for tracking leads, quote requests, bookings, consultations, and customer inquiries. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. From the left menu, click Goals. Now open Conversions. Then click Create Conversion Action. Choose Website. Enter your website domain and continue. Google Ads may scan your website and suggest conversion actions. If you see an option for form submissions, you can use it. If not, choose the option to create the conversion manually. Now enter a conversion name, such as Contact Form Submission. Choose the category Submit Lead Form or Lead. Next, set the conversion value. You can use the same value for every lead, or choose not to assign a value if you are not sure yet. For the count setting, choose 1 if you want each person to count as one lead, even if they submit the form more than once. Now save the conversion action. Google Ads will give you a tag setup option. If you use Google Tag Manager, choose that option and copy the conversion ID and conversion label. Next, open Google Tag Manager. Create a new tag and choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking. Paste the conversion ID and conversion label into the correct fields. Now create a trigger. If your form sends users to a thank you page, use a page view trigger for that thank you page URL. If your form does not use a thank you page, create a form submission trigger or custom event trigger based on how your website form works. Save the tag, then click Preview to test it. Submit a test form and confirm that the Google Ads conversion tag fires. Once everything works, publish the Tag Manager container. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Ads contact form conversion tracking. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.